Hi everyone, Zach Pagoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 13-1 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 13-1 work together. In the last video, I read over the 13-1 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 13-1 work together, where we will be recording a payroll. So the instructions say, Metro Company's payroll register has the following totals for the semi-monthly pay period, July 1st through the 15th of the current year. T accounts and a cash payments journal page are provided in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following examples. Alright, so as you can see here, the total earnings are $12,600. The federal income tax withheld is $1,186. The Social Security tax withheld is $781.20. And the Medicare tax withheld is $182.70. Number 1. Use the T accounts provided to analyze Metro's July 1st through 15th payroll. And number 2. Journalize the payment of Metro's July 1st through 15th payroll on page 15 of the Cash Payments Journal. The payroll was paid by check number 455 on July 15th of the current year. Okay, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 13-1 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 13-1 work together, in which we will be recording a payroll. So to start, we're going to record the total earnings amount, which is $12,600 on the left side of the salary expense T account. Next, we're going to record the federal income tax amount, which is $1,186 on the right side of the employee income tax payable T account. After that, we're going to record the Social Security tax amount, which is $781.20 on the right side of the Social Security tax payable T account. And then we're going to record the Medicare tax amount, which is $182.70 on the right side of the Medicare tax payable T account. The next thing that we're going to do is calculate the cash amount by taking the salary expense amount and subtracting it from the total of all three of our payable liabilities. So if we take 1,186 plus 781.20 plus 182.70, that will give us $2,149.90. And if we take 12,600 and subtract it from $2,149.90, that will give us the amount, which is $10,450.10. And we're going to record this amount on the right side of the cash T account. And these four numbers, when added together, should equal 12,600. In other words, these four credits, when added together, should equal this one debit. Okay, so now that the T accounts have been filled out, we are now ready to fill out the cash payments journal and also journalize the payment of a payroll. So if we come over now to the cash payments journal, we're going to write the date, which is July 15th of the current year, which is 2021, in the date column. Next, we're going to write the words salary expense in the account title column. After that, we're going to write the check number, which is $455, in the check number column. And then we're going to record the salary expense amount, which is $12,600, in the general debit column. On the same line, we're going to record the total amount paid to the employees, which is $10,450.10, in the cash credit column. The last thing that we're going to do is list all of our payable liabilities in the account title column, and we're also going to record the amounts in the general credit column. So the first payable liability is employee income tax payable. And the amount is $1,186. The next payable liability is Social Security tax payable. And the amount is $781.20. And the last payable liability is Medicare tax payable. And the amount is $182.70. And these four credits, when added together, should equal this one debit. Alright, so that is the end of the 13-1 work together. In the next video, I will be going over the 13-2 text. Okay, thank you.